Gulab jamun, a sweet delight. Ingredients. For the dough, 250 grams milk powder, 1/4 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon cardamom powder, 1/4 cup water, 1/4 cup milk, ghee for frying. For the sugar syrup, 1 cup sugar, 1 cup water, a few drops of rose water, a pinch of cardamom powder. Instructions. Make the dough. In a bowl, combine milk powder, baking powder, and cardamom powder. Gradually add water and milk, mixing until a soft, pliable dough forms. Knead the dough for a few minutes until smooth. Shape the jamons. Divide the dough into small, equal-sized balls. Roll each ball between your palms to form a smooth sphere. Fry the jamuns. Heat ghee in a deep pan over medium heat. Gently drop the jamun balls into the hot ghee, a few at a time. Fry until golden brown, turning occasionally. Remove the fried jamuns and drain on paper towels. Make the sugar syrup. In a saucepan, combine sugar and water. Heat the mixture over medium heat, stirring until the sugar dissolves. Bring the syrup to a boil and cook until it reaches a one-string consistency. Add rose water and cardamom powder and stir well. Soak the jamuns. Immerse the hot fried jamuns into the warm sugar syrup. Let them soak for at least 2 to 3 hours or overnight for the best flavor. Tips. For a richer flavor, you can add a teaspoon of ghee to the dough. To prevent the jamons from cracking, ensure the dough is not too dry or too wet. The sugar syrup should be hot but not boiling when you add the jamuns. For a more intense flavor, use Cura water instead of rose water. Enjoy your homemade Gulab jamun. Would you like a visual guide? Let me know and I can provide a link to a video tutorial.